Hi guys, I am Nero from CogniCore AI, and today I'm stoked to show you how to install ComfyUI on Runpod's network storage so you don't have to reinstall it every time you want to use it. I'll also walk you through how to use Runpod's network storage to make your workflow super smooth. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the Storage tab and click on New Network Volume. Here, you'll see GPU names and their availability. Green means high availability, yellow is medium, and orange is low. You can also pick from different data centers, and once you select one, it shows the GPU availability for that specific data center. I'm aiming for an RTX A6000, so I'll scroll through the data centers to find one with high availability. If high isn't available, medium works too. If there's no color next to a GPU, it's not available at that data center. Nice. I found high availability for the RTX A6000 at the EUSC1 data center, and it's also got high availability for the A40 and RTX A5000. Here's the key thing. You can only use this network storage with the GPUs shown for the data center you pick. So choose one with a solid mix of GPUs that suit your needs and have good availability. EUSC1 looks perfect for my use case with those high availability GPUs, so I'll go with that. Now, I'll name this storage Test. I'll set the storage to 100 GP for now. You can always increase it later. It shows the pricing here, 0.07 per GB per month. So for 100 GP, that's $7 monthly. I'll click Create Network Volume, refresh the page, and boom, our network storage is ready. With the network storage set up, let's deploy a pod to use it. I'll go to Pods and click Deploy. One important thing, network disks only work in Secure Cloud, not Community Cloud. So we'll select Secure Cloud. Then click on Network Storage and pick the storage we just created. Notice it only shows the GPUs we saw for the EUSC1 data center. We're limited to those GPUs when using this network disk. You can create different network disks for different tasks and GPUs, which is super handy. I'll go with the RTX 5000, ensure the PyTorch 2.4 template is selected, then click Edit Template. Here you can adjust container storage, but the network storage size is fixed from what we set earlier. I'll expose port 3001 and click Deploy. Wait for the pod to finish deploying, then click Connect and link through port 8888. Now, I'll install ComfyUI using our automatic installer. Check my video in the I button to see how to set it up in one click. Done? ComfyUI is up and running on port 3001. Let's download the Flux models using our super fast automatic install scripts. If you want to download Flux, LAN, or other models lightning fast, watch my video in the I button. I shared scripts and a Jupyter notebook to download and upload models to Hugging Face in a snap. The models are downloaded, so let's move them to their correct folders. Now, I'll terminate this pod and start a new one to show you how to fire up ComfyUI with this network storage. Here we are in the new pod with our network storage. Look, ComfyUI and the Flux models are still here. Since ComfyUI is already installed, we just need to start it. I'll run this command, you can grab it from the description. And there we go. ComfyUI is running on port 3001. Let's check the models we downloaded. They're all still there, ready to roll. I'll open ComfyUI and start using it. If you want to update ComfyUI, just click on Manager and Update ComfyUI. Since I am already on the latest version, I'm getting a failed to update error. Normal. Click Restart, then Confirm to refresh the page, and you're set with the updated version. You can also download LORs here and use them anytime. Want to grab LORs or checkpoints from Civet AI super fast? Check my video in the I button to see how. You can install custom nodes too. They'll be stored in this network storage, ready whenever you need them. I'll terminate this pod for now. Back in the Storage tab, you can edit the network storage name, increase the storage. but you can't decrease it or delete the storage entirely, which wipes all the data inside. Heads up, you'll be billed for this network storage even if it's not attached to any pods, as long as you don't delete it. That's all for this video. Hope it helped you. If it did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing, time-saving automatic scripts to streamline your workflow. I am Miro, and I'll see you in the next one.